Hi guys, my name is Sel. Thanks for clicking this video. So I'm going to be doing a clay mask on my hair today, and I just want to I cannot say this word. I just want to detox my scalp and my hair, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to be using the Aztec clay mask, and Aztec clay mask is great for hair growth as it has nutrients such as potassium, calcium, sodium, sulfur, all the good things for your hair to boost hair growth and make it shiny. So it also helps with scalp conditions such as dandruff. It protects from infection and product buildup. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my hair mask and detoxify my hair and scalp. So I'm going to be using the hair mask Aztec Secret, and I'm going to be adding apple cider vinegar. This is the Bragg's brand. I'm also going to be adding castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil. And for this mixture, I'm going to be using glass and wooden utensils. Don't use metal because the clay and the vinegar reacts badly with the metal, so no metal. So right now I'm just mixing I'm just stirring the mixture add to the consistency that I want. So we want the consistency to be pudding like, so like a pudding. Right here is too watery, but I'm gonna add more clay. So you can add or subtract more clay to make it the consistency that you like. I'm just adding the castor oil, and I'm adding castor oil because I just don't want it to be extremely drying to my hair. So adding some kind of oil is gonna help your hair be moisturized while you're doing this mask. And yeah, don't eat it. So I'm just gonna section off my hair. It's easier to do it in sections, but you're gonna see that I end up just randomly putting it on my hair. But my hair is damp. I put some water in my hair, and I felt like it wasn't wet enough, so I went back and put in more water, because you don't want to do this on dry hair. It's going to break off your hair if you do it on dry hair. So just make sure your hair is really wet before you put the mask on. So the rest of the process is pretty much self-explanatory. I just put it all over my hair, and then make sure I get my scalp too, because I want to detoxify my scalp, and leave it on for about 15 minutes or when it starts to get dry, and then wash it off. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave you guys and enjoy. So after the mask dried, I washed it off, and as you can see, my hair is really shiny and bouncy, and my curls are really tight, which I love. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.